Finna get the first start up right here, man. Pull Stevie here back with another one, man. We're going to get the exhaust changed out today, but before we do that, I'm gonna show y'all what exhaust I'm finna run, man. All right, so right now, man, we running flowmasters up under there. Let me see if I can get y'all a good shot of them. There we go. I don't know if they 40s or 44s, but they, they sound pretty good. I plan on hanging on to them, so I'm gonna hang on to them just in case these don't sound like I want them to, and I'm gonna just throw them back on. But let me take you around here so we can look at these right here, single chambers. Trying to get the truck just a little bit lighter, and look like Flowmaster 10s on the inside, and this side single chambers. But for comparison, I got a Flowmaster 10 right here, and this thing is just a little bit bigger than a Flowmaster 10, but as far as the inside of them, they look fairly the same. That one's just a little rusty. It's both inlet sides of it. Turn these things. That's the other side, and here's the other side on this one. So it looks fairly similar, but we're gonna go with these because these are a little rusty on the inside. Couldn't put these on, so they sound pretty similar, so we're gonna go with these. Y'all stand by, let me get the truck warmed up, and we're gonna head to the muffler shop. So I've been lazy, man. I ain't hooked up the choke to the truck, so pretty cool out here today. So we're gonna see if I can get it to start up. Usually ain't too hard to start up anyway, but we're gonna see what happens. Oh, retry. All right, second try, man. We got it. Last sign clip of these Flowmasters. They getting ready to come off. Getting ready to take them off, man. Gonna let this thing warm up. Then we're gonna hit the road, man. We're gonna hit the road. Alright, so man, we in the truck. Headed to the muffler shop. Mufflers on here, man, they don't sound too bad, but I wanna just change them out and just see what happens. I've been wanting to change them for a minute, but I just went ahead and did it. But anyway, man, got this old 3-speed transmission in here, so I usually try to avoid interstate most of the time. So it might take a little bit longer to drive. Might just drive around a little bit, man. I know the last few videos, I couldn't really drive around like that because I ain't had no insurance and stuff on it. I was just, testing it too. But now they got all the bugs worked out. We're gonna ride a little bit. We're gonna ride a little bit, man. bit in it now. It got a little something in it now. It ain't still ain't, you know, a competitive race truck. But it does do alright at this point. Just made it to Scotty's. Gonna go ahead and see how many they got, and we're gonna get these single chamber mufflers put on here, man. We're gonna see how much different it sound, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Getting it all welded up, man. Getting it welded up, man. Single chambers going on now. Flowmaster coming off, Jones full bore going on, man. Getting it done. Still on turn downs though. We leaving them turn downs on there, man. Gotta leave them on there. Y'all stand by for this startup, man. Finna get the first startup right here, man. Alright, so man, here you go. Final results. It is a little louder. Still got to turn down. Got the new mufflers right now. See how loud it is while we riding, man, so y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, man, new mufflers on. We inside the truck. Let's see how much more loud it is. I'm gonna let the windows up for a few minutes just to give a real comparison, because the window was up this morning, so we're just gonna leave the windows up for right now until we can get a real comparison. Sounds about the same, to be honest. A lot louder though. I will say that. That's what I wanted. Just a little bit louder. But yeah, man, these are the Jones full bore. Paid $50 for them, man. This video, man, we're gonna be doing some more stuff to the truck, making some more changes to it, man. But that's it for this one, man. Y'all tune in for the next one, man.